National Commission for Women Act 1990. The National Commission for Women (NCW) is a statutory body of the Government of India established in January 1992. Lalita Kumar Mangalam was appointed its chairman in 2014. The NCW represents the rights of women in India and provides a voice for their issues and concerns. The National Commission for Women Act aims to improve the status of the women and worked for their economic empowerment. When can you approach NCW? When you experience domestic violence or are harassed for dowry, when you are mentally or physically harassed at workplace, when your right to live with dignity is denied, when you have been tortured or harassed online. If your modesty is outraged or you have been represented indecently, when you are denied for your maternity benefits. Composition. The commission shall consist of a chairperson, a member secretary, and other 5 members. Chairperson. The chairperson should be nominated by the central government. 5 members. The 5 members are also to be nominated by the central government from amongst the person of ability, integrity, and standing. They should possess an experience in various fields like law or legislation, trade unionism, management of industry, potential of women, women's voluntary organization, education, administration, economic development, and social good being. Functions of National Commission for Women. The Commission shall perform all or any of the following functions. Investigation and examination. Investigate and examine all the matters relating to the safeguards provided to the women under the Constitution and other laws. Presentation of reports. Commission presents a report to the central government every year or any other times as the Commission may deem fit relating to the working of those safeguards. Recommendations. Make recommendations in such report for the effective accomplishment of those safeguards for enhancing the conditions of the women by the union or by any state. Cases of violation. Commission takes the cases related to the infringement of the provisions of the Constitution and any other laws relating to the women with the relevant authorities. Suo motu notice. It looks complaints and suo motu notice of matters relating to the deprivation of women's rights, non-implementation of the laws, and non-compliance of the policy decisions guaranteeing the welfare of the women's society. Research and inspection. It undertakes the promotional and educational research so as to ensure the representation of the women in all fields and investigate jail, remand home of women or other place of guardianship where ladies are kept as detainees. Participation and evaluation. It recommends women to take part and give advice on the planning process of socio-economic development of women and also assess the progress of the development of women's society under the union and the state. Funding. It provides fund for litigation process relating to issues affecting a large body of women. Legal intervention. The Parivarik Mahila Lok Adalat (PMLA) is an innovative component with its roots in the traditional Nyaya Panchayat. It is created by NCW for the redressal and the speedy disposal of the cases. It has taken up to 7,500 cases so far. The essential feature of PMLA is cordial mutual settlement and flexibility in implementation, aiming to empower women in the justice delivery mechanism. Objectives of NCW. Review the constitutional and the legal safeguards for the protection of women and suggesting measures to the government for their effective implementation. Take up cases of violation of rights with appropriate authorities. Advise the government on policy matters affecting women. Drawbacks of NCW. It has no actual legislative powers. It only has the power to suggest amendments and submit reports which are not obligatory on state or union governments.